What's rapport? How do I create it? And will it really help me buy more houses? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Chuck Kohout coming to you live here with Always Be Closing, powering the Creative Real Estate Club. Smash that like button, smash that bell, make sure it's turned on so you get all the alerts all the time. You're not going to want to miss out on any of this. A lot of people talk about creating rapport, but we're going to give you the system that we actually use in our house buying business, and in order to do that, I'm going to have to take you to the boardroom. So here we go. Come with me. Oh, there you are. So, creating rapport. This is the same system that I've been using for the last 15 years. If you want to sell anybody anything or have somebody buy something from you, or even if you're just out on a date, it's absolutely amazing how well you'll be able to control and direct the conversation once you and the person you're communicating with have a state of rapport or a mutual liking. Okay, so here we go. This is the same 4 questions I use all the time, every time, or some variation of them. The first one, when you're sitting down with a seller, is going to be, how did this happen? Okay, how? Think about it for a minute. Let them talk. You are not there to tell them what you can do for them. You are there to listen. The only other questions aside from the ones on this board that you get to ask are further inquisitive questions about these, like why, how, tell me more. You can't make this shit up. You have to actually really like people. So be interested and don't be interesting. Okay? If they like you, they'll sell you the house. If they don't, after you get to these questions, they may sell you the house anyway. So you're there, you're gonna listen to their story. You may get some pretty crazy answers like, oh, well, this happened because I can't stop drinking. Oh, really? That's terrible. Why can't you stop drinking? Well, I can't stop drinking because my wife left me. Oh my God, your wife left you? That's terrible. Why'd your wife leave you? Well, here come the tears. My wife left me because I had prostate cancer. I had to have it removed and I'm now impotent. Holy f***. That's absolutely outrageous. I'm so sorry that happened to you. This is a terrible situation and you're losing the house. I absolutely feel for you. Where would you like this to go? Look at me like your fairy godmother. I'm here to help you solve the problem. I don't care about the house. You can give me the tour, you can not. The house doesn't have problems, it's you. Where would you like it to go? And you're going to listen. Well, I'd like to stay, or I'd like to get out of here. Or, I'd like to get out of here in 6 months. And you're gonna come up with a solution, giving them what they asked for. You can't give people what they want if you don't know what it is. This is where they're going to tell you how to solve their problem, then it's on you to solve it. Next, and this is something you can do in interpersonal communications or even in larger groups from stage, and this is what's called crashing your client. All right, so we know how you got here. We know where you'd like it to go. What's the biggest challenge you're facing? And holy shit, get ready, because more often than not, it's not the house. Okay, lack of money is not a real problem. It is a symptom of a much, much larger problem. And get ready, you're about to identify what that problem is. It could be divorce, it could be drugs, it could be something you've never imagined. But hold on to your butt, because here we go. And finally, and get ready, because this is when the tears come, and you might need to bring some Kleenex. Finally, bring them back up. What's working for you? Think about it. There's got to be something positive in your life. What's the best thing going on right now? And I mean, that could be a granddaughter, a new relationship. You're sitting here in front of me right now, okay? Other than these 4 questions, you just get to dig deeper with why. Why? If you want a little extra help, you can learn to mirror and match with tonality and body language. So if they're sitting there like this, you sit there like that. If their arms are at the sides, your arms are at your sides. If they're talking really fast, you talk really fast. And then before you know it, and it's almost like hypnosis, you're going to make a sudden shift or slow down the way that you talk, and they may slow down the way that you talk, and you can actually calm people down verbally. Or if you uncross your arms, they may uncross their arms, and that's when you know you got them and it's time to go in for the close. Now, I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the little bell for some kind of notification every time we drop a new video. Chuck Kohout, always be closing. Bye for now.